Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go, go. Drop that ass to the floor, floor. Guess who's back?
In my head, I don't know what to think. He knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, "Marry me, Juliet. You never have to be alone. I love you." And
I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Ayy, shorty with the long text, I don't talk. Ayy, shorty with the long legs, she don't walk. Yeah, last year I kept it on the tuck. Ayy, 2020 I came to fuck it up. Yeah, I want a long life, a legendary one. I want a quick death and an easy one. I want a pretty girl and an honest one. I want this drink and another one. Yeah, and I'm troublesome. Yeah, I'm a pop star, but this shit ain't bubble gum. Yeah, you would probably think my manager is Scooter Braun. Yeah, but my manager with 20 hoes and Budokan. Yeah, hey, look. Ariana, Selena, my visa. It can take as many charges as it needs to, my girl. That shit platinum just like all of my releases, my girl. Niggas come.
just did a bad thing. I regret the thing I did. And you're wondering, feeling so alive, feeling so brand new. And it's all because of you. I've been searching all my life, but I have never found someone like you. Feeling so alive, feeling so brand new, and it's all because of you.
It's a love.
Hey guys, we will be dyeing my hair today. And first of all, we need to have a clean white base, like my head. So you need to bleach your hair. This hair dye from Uberlys, and it's a really pretty pink. Let me show you. This shade is called chocolate, and this one is ultra black. And we're gonna use these paint brushes. First of all, we're gonna apply the pink dye, as we need a pink background. Leave it on for half an hour, and then wash it off. A little tip, wash the dye off with cold water so the colors don't bleed and they stay vibrant. Next step, brown spots. Apply the brown dye with a thin brush and draw spots on the head. Don't be scared to mess it up, because you can always change the sizes or the shape of your spots. Wash it off with cold water and we're done.
ET, motherfucker, we loaded.
I wish people got it like me, but I wish people got it like me, but I wish people got it like me, I wish people got it like me, I wish people got it. I'm bleeding like Fred. I wish people got it.
Everything come back around full circle. Why do lies sound pleasant but the truth hurtful? Everybody gotta cry once in a while, but how long will it take for you smile? This is that come back to life shit. My niggas pick me up and we gon' light the city up as if the sun had the night shit, and paint the town red for my nigga found dead too soon. Yeah. To the left of that decimal, I need 7 figures to play the joint. Turn up your decibels, peep how I decimate a joint. Check out my projects like them workers that section 8 points, and you'll see how I flip like extra.
Alright, how to do a bar spin. which is hands down one of my favorite tricks. The first thing you need is a good bunny hop, so you have enough air time to get the handlebars all the way around. Next is learning the motion of a bar spin. For years, I would plant the back wheel of my bike against a bench or a wall, and while using my calves to secure the bike under me, I would throw bar spins. Once you're comfortable with bunny hopping and throwing the handlebars around, it's time to put them together. One thing that's super important is to make sure that you're giving your handlebars enough space to get around. That's why it's important to take your calves and clamp your seat. So what you want to do is, as you're bunny hopping up, get to your highest point, throw the handlebars, catch it, and land solid.
Wow, it's unreal. It is very surreal, very quiet. Amazing view. Wow, what a view. Oh my goodness, the moon off the nose. Good grief.
The view is incredible. Welcome to the club, astronaut.
I like this club.
To the top, show you how my niggas rock. 092, my dog, stay with it, big H, in the cave with it. Free Melly Jeezy in the cage with it. Pop Smoke, yeah, I stay with it. Summertime, spicy, got my weight up, now they like me. You want your bread back? Come and fight me.
We have sea moss, blueberries, banana, we got oats, pumpkin seeds, almonds, cashews, and granola. Start off with 8 ounces of almond milk. Now we're gonna add 1 scoop of blueberries, about 1 banana, a scoop of sea moss. Very good for you. So we're gonna add our cashews, granola, oats, almonds, and pumpkin seeds. So we're gonna add cinnamon, nutmeg, 2 drops of vanilla, and about 1 ounce of agave. We're just gonna add a little bit of ice just to have it a little bit more thick. Now we're just gonna pour it into this glass and it'll be all ready. Just a little garnish. There you go.
My whole life, I've dreamed of becoming an action hero.
Die Hard is the funniest, most action-packed show of the year.
Welcome to Ron Wilcox Action Star School. I want you to storm the house, find the victim, and bring him to safety. You must learn not to sweat the small stuff.
What are you talking about, the small stuff? I was on fire, Coach Ron. I'm talking lights, camera, action.
You're like a real-life Rambo. There it is. Die Hard, only on Quibi.